Yo, what's up, good people? It's one and only favorite boy, Putty, hitting her from the 32 underscore South of Feds. You'll know what it is, you'll know what's up from the Devon Street to the global stage, baby. Let's go. You know, Banlan.
Blue Shade. I go by the name of Blue Shade, Ocean Boy from Durban.
Hey, Blue Shade inkabi yami. Kodwa ngeke ngezwa inkabi yami uthi waqa lapha noDedele uSweet inkabi yami. Hayi bo. Kule album lonke besihlangene ngayo zalo. Which one is your favorite song so far?
I say Zimbali. I'm not being biased because I'm on the song, but I feel like it's a beautiful song. But overall, it's a nice album. Damn, right? I'm having goosebumps even as we speak right now. So, yeah, but like Zimbali is my favorite song.
Yeah, kumuntu obukayo ufisa ukwazi ukuthi ikhishwa nini album ikhishwa nini bafu bayilindele nini abantu.
I'm normally got this season going.
Eyakho baba.
Don't have a date as yet, but like I'm working on a project. Ikamala is Pepelo and hey, come sing Shinchiganing, but like I feel like this is the final one.
Siphephelo is the one. Siphephele enkosini. Siphephele ku music. Siphephele ku hayi bo kwaze kwalesi South Africa. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and also follow the channel. Thank God.